Hey, don't mind me just having a perfectly normal vlog on a perfectly normal day across campus. So two things have happened in recent days. One is that I have begun voice cracking. Wow, have I hit my second puberty? Maybe. I don't know. Might have to see a doctor about that. Or maybe my vocal cords are just. Anyways, the other piece of news that has caught my attention is that I have recently gotten a community guidelines warning on my YouTube channel. Yes, that's right. So, yesterday, I posted a JavaScript / HTML blah blah blah. Watch the video, link to the description if you're interested. I thought that was pretty neat, and so I made a video on it, and I thought I want to share my website to my viewers to let them see the fruits of my labor, because this is an active development from scratch kind of project that I want to see to fruition and brag about. But I left the link in the video. As I was editing the description of said video, Google was like, this seems pretty deceptive / spam / harmful to our viewers. And I'm like, okay, I'm not doing any of those. And so I checked it out and wanted to appeal it. And lo and behold, they were like, you should get this website checked out by Google Search Console, which I've never ever heard about. And what it is basically you can sign up with your website as long as you have a specific tag implanted within the code of the homepage, and basically control everything there is that you can control given Google's tools about your analytics and how to make your website better visible to viewers. It also lets you hash out some problems that Google has, like maybe flagging your entire website as like a terrorist organization. That didn't actually happen. They just thought, oh, this looks pretty fishy. There's some JavaScript going on in the background. There's this guy's email that looks pretty suspicious, which it's not. It's just my email. I don't even know why they decided to flag it. I guess they just wanted me to sign up to put me in their registry. But anyways, I got that taken care of. I still don't know whether or not I can appeal the warning. Quick update, I just checked my video and they unhid the link in the description, so you can visit my website anytime from that video specifically. The how to edit shared elements across many web pages with one file, Day 8 video. That's such a huge title. Anyways, I also see that they removed the warning, at least from the page where it's visible to me. So I guess it's gone. Okay, it's pretty much how my days have been currently. I have this video of a microwave in a hallway for consolation purposes, I guess.